Hello guys, so today I'm going to show you how to access Apple Music Replay and use it. Now it's a very easy process, but for this process all you have to do is just simply go to a browser like Safari or Google Chrome, but don't go to the application itself because you might not get the feature instantly on the application. So firstly what you have to do is go to a browser and over here just simply search for Apple Replay. Now over here just simply search for Apple Replay over here. Now open the first link. Now click on jump in. Now the sign up page or the login page will appear for your Apple ID. Just simply give it over here. Now after that click on continue. And now just simply enter your password. So add your password right over here. And now just simply click on the arrow option right over here. Now right over here just simply click on allow. Now over here just simply memorize the code over here that you have to enter right over here. Now over here all you have to do is just simply click on trust if you trust the browser that you're using. Now wait for a few seconds. And now if you want to save your password, you can obviously do that as well. So for now, I'm going to say not now. And now what you have to do is simply go to this option and click on open in music. Then click on allow. Now the music app should pop up automatically. So give it a few seconds. And now those of you who have an active subscription of Apple Music will be able to access replay on your music application right over here. So that's it. And thank you for watching. And do like, subscribe to our channel and take care.